I'm Popeye the Sailor Man. Doot doot. Alright, driver. Yeah. Here's number one fisherman. G'day.
Hi.
We're going to Lake Windermere today. We're going to pick up my lad, going fishing. We're staying in a local hotel.
Yeah, hopefully the weather gonna be good so we can just stay on the lake.
Yeah.
I hope it ain't gonna be raining, knowing British weather.
Might rent a boat as well when we get there, aren't we?
Yeah, we're gonna show you some bits and bobs out of our day.
Yeah.
So, see you later.
Alright, see ya. Here he is.
The main fisherman.
Picked him up. Picked him up on the way now. What you got to say for yourself this early in the morning, mate? Yeah, exactly. Roll school.
Imagine show this to Laura.
Fury's on fire.
Oh look, John Fury.
Some on the right as well.
Oh my days, loads of them here. Yeah.
That's mad, that is.
Maybe live the gags to the pros, yeah? Nothing brings us together like great TV.
Into the window.
You ready? Aye, aye, Captain!
Captain Pugwash.
I've no idea where we're going, but...
Yeah, there.
Maybe over there, I don't know.
Can't really go that far.
So ready to fish?
Aye, aye.
Yeah.
Aye, aye,
Careful.
mate.
Callum, when you throw in the rod, I'm gonna be under the roof.
Get some holes jacked in case we we're gonna get feet. Right, we're on the lake. We've got the boat. £70-ish for the 2 hours. Here's number one fisherman. Oh, your fish is falling off. That's all, don't matter.
No, that's probably bad.
The pike might think it's disabled. What do you have to Cal? With a pike on the lure.
Yeah.
He's luring and piking.
But, don't like this lure.
That's fine, man. It's in the Dina's fish, it's in half.
Yeah, that's so bad.
This is the lake. Only problem is loads of boat rentals. So the lake's quite busy. These are the master controls, Captain Lee. Wash Lee. Right, if we end up catching one, I'll let you know. Popeye the Sailor Man, doot doot, lives in a caravan, doot doot. I'm strong to the finish, cause I eat me spinach. I'm Popeye the Sailor Man, doot doot. Alright, driver.
Yeah.
What's that bloody shit?
I'm just
On the way back in.
Yeah, I was driving Titanic, I wouldn't have sunk.
It's not
Having
right.
a little walk through the town. Say you.
Smeggy toad.
Cut that one out. You better.
No, I was talking
You
about
just.
Dad. I was talking about Dad.
You well, not the plan.
Why me? I haven't done anything.
You said something. I forgot what you said. But, so I said it. And because you both start with D.
Where are we going? This one. Oh, puppy. Hello, doggy. Huh.
Can we have one?
Listen,
I want some
there's
gypsy
any
water.
Pokemon cards in here, not
I
one.
want some gypsy water.
Yeah, get you some of that from home. You know. Walking in a winter wonderland.
I said, are you listening? You're doing too.
Yeah, the other boats are being rented from there. Look. The ones with the red at the back. You got yourself a little fair here as well. You want to go on? Look, you've even got the gingerbread house. Where the paedophile owns that because they catch little kids.
What we doing then?
Thank you.
Airballs.
Got some farted then, stunk. Oh, yeah. Oh, proper Mr. Whips. Oh, I got Chucky, original chocolate. Oh, my hands stink of fish. Got fishy hands. We stopped off for a little coffee in a little coffee shop. It's expensive. 2 coffees, milkshake, 2 sandwiches, £38. I suppose like that, I had 3 sandwiches.
Sandwiches?
Well, paninis. Then we're popping off to see if we can fish on the land somewhere, maybe in the north. Oh, and Dina's coming back.
I'm going to spend the whole day in that queue.
2 turtle doves. Get in, run over. Callum. Oh.
What? No, I wasn't walking towards the side, was I?
Yeah, you're like in a lot of road, mate.
Ew. Oh, annoying.
Cafe number 4. Where's number 1, 2, 3?
Number 1's in Tarford. No, it literally is.
Cafe 1.
What, because it's the goat?
Hey, hold up.
Oh my god, it's
Someone's
following
left
me.
in a proper shit car here.
Isn't it?
My car is just
Yeah, I might have
following
to
me
sit
everywhere.
back of that.
It's literally following me everywhere.
I think we should burn it.
Hole into wall. Hole into wall. Beatrix, Beatrix, Potter.
I was going to say the same thing.
Hello,
Yeah, the Asian
Potter.
people's dinner.
Yeah, I was going to say that's why they looked at it at the car and I was like, but like, it's really
Bit early, isn't it? Santa's on the lakes.
This hurts my soul.
Man.
Choco bar.
Someone who loves Christmas. This is their place.
This looks proper American shop, doesn't it? I can't believe it's even open. Oh, 146 days to go. Oh, I can't. I don't know if I can bring myself to go in.
It's too depressing.
Summer?
No. It's only when you walk through that, it means you're gay.
What?
When you walk underneath a sign like that, it means you're gay, innit?
Only in your world, pal.
I didn't even make it.
So let's go pushing into the next world.
Like a train, you always go one direction.
What? Love is the best. Cool little bar, isn't it? That's it. Got to save the last bit now in case you catch a fish. It's splitting off. Right, we didn't catch anything today at the lake, so we're going back to the hotel. So I'll show you a bit of the hotel, charge up the batteries, and then yeah, we'll see what's going on tomorrow. But unfortunately today, nil point.
Hi guys, just want to tell you situation what we had in hotel. Lakeland Hotel in Kendal.
Yeah.
We booked a triple room and basically we registered, blah blah blah, went to our room. The room hasn't been cleaned. There was dirty towels, the bedding wasn't changed, so it was hair and all sorts of stuff all over bedding. I went to reception, obviously told about the issue. They was running around, they couldn't sort out the situation. Then they said, oh, would you accept one double room and one single room? I said, obviously not, because obviously we have a child and how they think how it's gonna happen. So I said no, then can you do the refund? Then again it took a while they're gonna sort it out, this and that. And in the end I said, listen, we have to sort out this situation because the car park is until 7 o'clock and after that can't get the car out of the car park. They said, oh, give us 5 minutes. I was like, oh, this is too much. So obviously boys got their car. I said to them, have you sorted? In the end they said they're gonna do the refund. Before that they actually mentioned, oh, can you give us 30 minutes and we're gonna clean the room, on which we already didn't have the mood for all this. So in the end we didn't stay in hotel and we are on our way home. A bit upset because we did look forward for staying away on weekend and looking forward for do some stuff again tomorrow around the lake, go for fishing again, but fortunately one of them.
Yeah, we're gonna go local fishing instead tomorrow.
Callum?
Do not stay in the Lakeland Kendal Hotel.
We go to Lake District, then
Yeah. While I was as well in reception, there was another 2 blokes which one had some issue as well with the room, so it says something that it's maybe not a greatest place.
The lake was alright.
But the lake, the vibe at the lake, it was lovely. It's
Town's nice.
the town is very nice, all sorts of different shops. One shop was my favourite, I can't remember. It was all sorts of like house stuff. I didn't buy anything, even though I was very tempted. Very nice paintings and decorations and everything lovely. So
Just don't get any paninis from that coffee shop.
oh yeah, I'm gonna show you the picture in the video. There is one coffee shop. We ordered 2 coffees, milkshake and 3 paninis, paid £38 for all that. That is a ridiculous price. For one portion of panini, £8.50.
Tasteless.
And they actually wasn't nice. Bread was so hard. I had all scratched mouth from inside, so guys, do not recommend. Gonna post it on the video.
Well, the hunt still continues for the pike.
Yeah, hopefully tomorrow I'm gonna go probably to river or to some canal, isn't it?
Yeah, Newport Canal.
Yeah, hopefully we're gonna catch something there, so watch the view of the road, and we're gonna see the sunset on the way home.
And if we catch anything tomorrow, we might add it to this video.
Yeah.
You'll know, because it'll be in 3, 2, 1, fish.